Home Remedies presents
How to fix droopy eyelids naturally. The results are amazing. You won't believe how easy it is to use this natural remedy for drooping eyelids and hooded eyelids. And I cannot believe there is no information on this online. And all you need is an egg. I am so excited that my experiment worked. Plus, it's inexpensive and all natural. Drooping eyelids or sagging eyelids are not something you are born with. Instead, it occurs over time and is most commonly associated with aging and the loss of skin elasticity. They may stay constant or progressively worsen over time. Drooping eyelids is very common for both men and women. For this natural remedy for drooping eyelids, all you are going to need is one egg. Nice and simple, right? We are just going to use the egg white part of the egg. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Egg whites naturally tighten and firm your skin when applied. The egg white will dry in less than a minute on your skin and the tightening effect changes how your eyelid falls. This helps pull in the extra skin so it does not hang over your eyelid. Steps to follow. Make sure your eyelid doesn't have any makeup and is dry. Crack open an egg and remove the yolk. All you are going to need is the egg white. Hold your eyelid closed and dip a cotton swab into the egg white. Rub the cotton swab across the crease of your eyelid. It should not drip at all. You don't need much. Keep holding your eyelid closed and wait for the egg white to dry, and you could sit in front of a fan to speed up the process. That's it. You may have to reapply it a little higher or a little lower if you didn't get the result on the first try. For both my mom and I, we had to put it on 2 or 3 times to get it in the perfect spot. Once we figured out where to put it, it came out great. When you apply egg white to your eyelid and let it dry, you will see results in a few minutes, and the results have lasted me almost 2 days from application. I was very surprised.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.